What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make $3 in 10 minutes. Best of all, you can do this again and again, and we're talking about easy PayPal money here. So all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, this is going to be a quick one, so make sure you watch the whole thing here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. But we save that for the end of this video, because this is a perfect opportunity to get started, to make some extra money. Actually, we want to make $3 in 10 minutes, and we want to do this again and again, and we're talking about PayPal money. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to download an app actually, and if we are on a desktop like I am right now, showing you here, we want to go to surveysonthego.com. So this is how it looks. Be heard, get paid. You get paid for taking quick, simple surveys on all kind of topics right on your mobile device. And it is available on both App Store and Google Play. You can see here that they do have, for a general survey, you make 10 cents, for lifestyle 25, media, demographics, so there's a lot of topics covered here. Look at this, made $3 just for 10 minutes worth of surveys, and $10 for baking some cookies and taking a 16-second video. So you can definitely make much more here if you take up on more opportunities that they are giving you here. And you can see here I successfully got money from a reward app, so it has quite a lot of good reviews actually also. We're going to have a look at it real quick here. This is a video that I'm not going to play the whole video for you here, but we'll pay you. I'll skip it a little bit so you can see how it looks. You can see here, look at this. This is a survey, so they show you how much you can make here. So you can have a look, it's a short one, it's just a 30-second commercial here actually. So let's go up and have a quick look at the FAQ also. What is the surveys on the go? Why should I complete surveys? You can basically have a look at this for yourself, but you can see here that they do pay out via PayPal, of course. So here are some more frequently asked questions. I don't need to go, there's no need for me to go through this. You can have a look at them by yourself actually, by just going to the site. So if I have a quick look also here on Google Play, this is how it looks. So let's have a look here. So you can see here is a survey, for example, how do you find out about TV shows you want to see? So you click on what you find that is for you actually, okay? And the next one, shopping experience in a typical month, how often do you shop? So you can see these are really super easy questions to answer. This is the screenshot on surveys, so you can see the balance here. So let's have a look here. Fortune 500 companies, the entertainment industry and other companies around the country need your opinion and will pay you for them. So really simple, they pay you for the surveys of course. And it has quite good reviews actually. So here is the first one. They don't always have a lot of surveys, but when they do, they have a decent payout, 75 cents to $3.50 per on average. So that is quite nice actually. So it means that you can make even more than $3 as I mentioned here. They pay you 10 cents if you start a survey but don't qualify. So if you see surveys that offer zero in payout, click on them anyway, because they are longer surveys that let's see, that require you to do tasks, but they tell you once you are in the survey. So a lot of opportunities inside here, really simple and straightforward. If you're on Android, you go to Google Play. Otherwise, if you're on iPhone, you go to the iOS and you type surveys on the go. and you can download it and get started to make some money here. Alright, as I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. Alright, if you got some value on this video, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to both my channels that you see here at the end screen. Don't leave yet. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, internet marketing tips and much more. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.